Uh-huh.
I'm a good I'm a good guy.
Okay, so
Something.
basically,
How does your I can I ask you this? How does your normal day begin, and how do you manage this such schedules in between? How do you chip in the schedules in between among all the daily work that you do and all that you do?
all right. So, like it is a usual task for me, like daily routine. So I have been doing this practice for so long. So there is a customized with it.
You okay? No, I think you are accustomed to it.
Accustomed. So I accustomed with this practice, but like I am a YouTuber as well, and now I got married and I have my personal stuff to do on regular basis. So I mean, previously I was too indulged with this practice, so my focus was completely into it.
Okay.
But then later on, I understood I did some mistakes to my health, and I got a repercussion for it.
Lovely.
Then I changed my schedule, and nowadays I'm focusing more on exercising and meditation and mindfulness, and I try to cope up. I try to maintain the balance in personal life and in work. So because there are lots of tasks I need to perform, I'm running YouTube as well, and I'm doing my all works related to the YouTube, scripting, editing, making thumbnail and everything. YouTube means a lot of tasks you need to perform if you are handling, if you are doing single-handedly of you. Yes. So yes, so there is no perfect routine for me in terms of doing work, but in terms of performing my daily personal activities related to my health and related to my household chores, I guess, like cooking and all these things, they are fixed. So yes.
So how much time do they take actually, all these household chores? Because this you are doing it on a daily basis. So are you an early morning kind of a person that who wakes up, finishes off everything so that I'm on time and those kind of things?
Yes, I try very hard to do so, but yes, to be honest, yes, I try to be a person who wakes up early in the morning. Like when I say early in the morning, it means 6, not before 6, not 5, not 5:30, 6 to 7.
This is too early morning for me actually. That's why I'm not able to relate.
Oh my god! Okay.
So I go to sleep at 2:30. So it's too.
That's why. So you go to the bed late. That's why you wake up late, right? Because sleep is very significant aspect of our life.
Yeah, I know. And now what you will tell that also I know. Don't tell, huh? Please, because I am already guilty about this. But I'm just trying to work around it.
Yes.
We all need good sleep. I really understand.
Yes, so my understanding about health also have changed. Earlier, I used to focus a lot of into work. I was so, passionate, or I could say not passionate. I was in a rush to achieve my goals, I could say in this way. But then I understood, okay, these are the materialistic things and don't need to pay a lot of attention. Pay attention. Sorry.
Take care. Have a sip of water if you want.
I need to go.
You can.
No, I'm okay now.
Okay.
So yes, then maintaining your personal life, work-life balance should be there, and I'm trying to do such
that also.
So, like you asked me how much hours you spend to your household chores and to your work. So I guess the ratio will be 50-50 because I'm not I mean, I love to do household chores as well. I mean, arranging homes,
I'm
cooking
sure.
stuff.
Arranging, putting things in place, making it cleaner. You understand this word gratitude? Do you?
Yes, I understand and I know gratitude.
What is your understanding about gratitude?
Gratitude means be thankful. I
Lovely.
mean, okay, be thankful for each and everything about this world, about not only things that you have, but the things you don't have even. Like you feel that I don't have, like, but you have a lot of things even you can't imagine. So gratitude.
Wonderful, Mat. Superb. Wonderful, Megha. It it has been proven scientifically. Yeah, I am also getting into that move. Sorry, it has been proven scientifically, Megha, that people who express or expresses their gratefulness towards others, they are much calmer, happier, and they are sorted in their life most of the time.
I don't believe.
I'll tell
on
you
this.
how. No problem. You may beg to differ. I mean, when you are expressing your gratitude, that means there is this kind of serenity and calm. If it comes from within, if you are expressing it artificially, then there is a problem. Yes, please. Yeah, your opinion.
No. I'm listening to you. You said that why you were saying. So please make me understand.
So I'm saying because I have said the reason. I'll repeat that when you are expressing yourself with all the purity that you have, I mean, with no dual intentions, with no second thoughts, no other shadow of thoughts creeping into your mind.
Do you have the same persona every time? Are you getting my voice?
Yeah, now I'm getting.
Okay.
If I say yes, then there is no other way for you to refuse and believe. Yes, most of the time. I say most of the time. Why? 15, 16 hours I am on. Yeah, so that's why. Otherwise, in general life also, Megha, I'm a good I'm a good guy.
Okay, so basically you are trying to say it becomes like a compulsion when you confront people. You always have to show your good side.
No. I never said that. What I'm trying to say is.
No. You didn't say, but we try to do so because.
Yeah, we definitely we try to do so. You're correct. But what I'm saying, are you doing it genuinely? That's what I wanted to say.
Yes, I got your point. Thank you so much for this. Yes, but see, like understanding about what kind of understanding you have, then what kind of skill you have that you can, articulate your understanding in perfect manner. That is something you have, and I am observing such things from you, because nobody can talk on such topic without understanding. Nowadays there are lots of books are there and people may read and people may get few words or few things, but you make connection only when you understand things and when you speak from your heart.
Okay.
Only then there will be a connection.
So you understood that. That's what you're saying.
Yes, I understood that. But I want to ask you that, like you have asked about gratitude and, some sort of things related to the psychology. Yesterday we had talked. So are you interested on such things, or just because you have got many academic, not, you have, how to say, many academic
you can also
achievements. So I just want to know, do you have interest in such things? Or
actually a lot. I love to know people, number one. And that connection is very important for me. Like if I meet you 5-6 times more, then I will try to know what makes Megha Megha. That's what I'm trying to understand. What makes Anindya? I think every individual has got that aura, that uniqueness in their character. It is how
Code.
how we look at it, right? So there
Yes.
could be everything that 1, 2, 3, 4, everything is getting ticked in the tick box when we meet a person.
But do you think that right now you are confronting me, but maybe a few years later I will be something else?
Yeah, then that is the transformation.
So it could be negative or it could be positive. Anything could happen. Is this possible?
I'll tell you something, Megha, quickly. I hope it allows me to say this.
Yes.
It's negativity and positivity, what we see is again through our eyes. I'll tell you how. Very simple.
Yes, yes.
I go to your house, Megha,
Mm-hmm.
and you invite me for a lovely dinner. And when you treat me royally,
Mm-hmm.
and then I take that experience back with me.
Mm-hmm.
After a few years, you invite me again.
Mm-hmm.
This time your approach is like not that hospitable which was there earlier. So again, something which I am seeing and I am experiencing.
Mm-hmm.
This is the way I look at it.
All right, all right.
I hope you understand. So even if you are not, even if you have done something, you are feeling good by doing that. That is your prerogative. I look like this.
Okay.
If I didn't really experience the way I experienced what Megha had offered me, I'll only think that perhaps Megha was not in a position this time to be hospitable the way she was earlier. So that's my thought process. I hope you understand what I'm thinking.
I understood.
Amazing.
Okay.
So
no, this is amazing, but the control you have and the practice, I think for this attitude,
yes, Megha.
It demands a lot of practice, because the things happen to you and immediately you start judging and you lose your control, even though you are aware about the ultimate reality. So I think this requires practice, I guess, but very beautifully you have said things, and I got you completely.
Yes, Megha, but again, I am a human. So those cross thoughts will keep on coming. So I should complete this also. If I have to be honest, I'll also think, but why did she do like this? Why did she do like this? Why did she do like this? Now, this can take over my previous feelings also. But what I do is that I stop somewhere and I say that, let me really carry those pleasant moments which I actually had with me.
Okay, so here I would like to fire one more question.
Please. Shoot.
So like, I understood you, and I feel like there are lots of motivational speakers and people who have great knowledge and wisdom. So they speak about things which generally people are not aware, and they feel that, okay, that person has a great wisdom and we need to follow him or her like this. But what I think, as a speaker, when you speak, I'm talking about the motivational speaker. When they speak, do they really implement such things in their life? Because I personally feel when you have great command in communication skills, so it's easy to play with words. It's easy to play. It's easy to throw few philosophical things in.
I understand. I have understood you.
In very beautifully manner, but when it comes to implement in your life, does it really happen? Or I feel that what we say, we perform less than that. This is my understanding as per my experience. What do you have?
So if you're asking me whether you have been able to really do it, Anindya, what you say, what you preach, do you really mean it, right?
Yes.
1 minute, and I'll have to finish it quickly, right? Or else next time we'll continue with this. Just remind me. I personally believe something, that I cannot fake myself for quite long. Because people on the other side, they are smart and intelligent enough to gauge that. So whatever that I can do, I'll do that much only, not 1 inch beyond that.
But this is like you took it personally. I'm talking for every
No,
and
I took
all.
I because the question was thrown at me. So I'm saying, so for
Okay.
example, if I am not in a position to exercise what I'm saying,
Mm-hmm.
Megha, believe me, I'll not be there. Trust me, I'll not be there in that scene only. Means I will seclude myself when I feel that I'm losing control. These days, it doesn't happen anymore. Earlier, when I was much younger, I used to.
Okay. No, you are still young.
Thank you, thank you. That is encouraging, Neha. So what I'm trying to say that I will not be there, Megha. If I think that there will be an outburst of emotion,
Mm-hmm.
or where I'll not be able to hold myself and say something to the other person, it's all about outburst, right? The reaction.
Yes, 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 yes.
So I'll just take myself away, off from the situation.